Depending on your location in northeastern and central Pennsylvania, you may have seen rain today or some snow. Now I think the precipitation has stopped, but the temperatures keep going down.
And everyone's going to see the winds tonight, Lisa, including tomorrow morning, too. It could be gusting up to 40, if not 50 miles per hour in some spots as we head into the morning tomorrow. It's going to be windy across the region, and Lisa's right, temperatures are dropping, and it is going to be cold. And speaking of dropping temperatures, I want to give you a look back. Today's the first day of 2025 at 2024, and the coldest temperature we had in 2024 was -2 degrees. That was 2 degrees, actually 2 days after the winter solstice and 2 days before Christmas, and we hadn't seen temperatures that cold in over 2 years. Now, the warmest temperature we had in 2024 was 97 degrees. That was a record high temperature. The -2, that tied the record for that date. This 97 was the new record high now in the books. That happened one day after the summer solstice, and that hadn't happened for nearly 2 years. Now, one thing we are noticing as we're pushing further and further into the 20th century is that our daily heat records are outpacing our daily cold records. Back in the 1940s, we had equal numbers of record high temperatures and record cold temperatures. But look at the difference now in the 2020s. We're seeing far more record high temperatures than record cold temperatures. And this is not just for Wilkes-Barre. This is also across the entire United States, noticing warming temperatures and exceptionally hot temperatures and creating more record highs than we ever have before. And 2024 is now the hottest year on record, hotter than the last hottest year on record. That was 2023. And for the first time ever, the Earth's annual global average temperature was above 1.5 degrees Celsius, higher than pre-industrial levels. So we're noticing a hotter planet than ever before, and we're going to continue to see that as we push further into the 2020s. Here's a live look at satellite and radar. We got some snow showers across the entire region earlier today. Now just a few lingering isolated flurries there for Sullivan County. This is the larger picture. We had that low pressure system bring us really significant rainfall yesterday night before we turn the calendar page to 2025. Some strong to severe storms through the mid-Atlantic states. Now as the low pressure system pulls off to the north and east, pulling in this huge area of cold air from Canada, and that's what's also causing our winds to gust too. Temperatures right now in the 20s, 30s, no longer the 40s. 40s are off the map now for quite a long time. I don't think we're going to see the 40s again for at least a week and a half, and temperatures aren't even going to break the freezing mark once we get to Saturday. They'll be below freezing all the way through that first week of 2025. That is a full week of 2025. All right, winds sustained up to 25 miles per hour right now in Mount Pocono. We have a wind advisory in effect until 1 p.m. tomorrow, and that's why we're issuing a weather impact alert until 1 p.m. Those strong winds could cause issues for you, especially you still have holiday decorations out, inflatables, outdoor patio furniture. You know, you're enjoying maybe those temperatures in the 50s on your patio. Make sure those are secure. They can blow around with the winds that we're going to have through the overnight and into your morning tomorrow. We'll continue to see snow showers streaming off of the Great Lakes coming in tomorrow. Flurries for your Thursday. Some snow showers possible in the afternoon on your Friday as well as we head into the latter portion of your afternoon. But overall, we're expecting a coating of snow for our places north and east. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We have the weather impact alert in effect for tomorrow as a result of the winds gusting up to 40 to even 50 miles per hour in Wayne County. And boy, is it going to be cold, Lisa, to continue into this first month of 2025. Temperatures only in the 20s as highs for a prolonged period of time.
The 40s are gone.
Oh yeah, they're gone for a while.
All right,
January's
Jeremy.
setting in.
Thank you.
Yep.